Tell me of a dua for a good relationship. I am upset since I've had 2 broken relationships.
So 2 broken relationships. This is a calamity. This is a calamity. So in this case, you say, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. So I give you a dua, and this is perfect. You say Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. And this is said when a person experiences a calamity. And if you've broken from 2 relationships, this is, no doubt, it's difficult upon a person, it's hard upon a person, upon his family, and so on. We say, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Then the dua you're supposed to be saying, and I give you this from the actual incident of Salamah radiallahu anha. Salamah radiallahu anha, when her husband Abu Salamah died, the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam taught her to make a dua. So she said, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. And she said, Allahumma ajurni fi musibati wa akhluf li khayran minha. She said, oh Allah, reward me for my calamity. She had lost her husband, he died. Here in your case, you lost 2 husbands that you had, or 2 marriages that you had. The first husband and then the second one. Or perhaps this is a husband that is asking, and he lost a first relationship with his first wife, and then he had another relationship and he lost. So Salamah also lost her husband. Then she said, Allahumma ajurni fi musibati. Grant me reward for this calamity. وَاخْلُفْ لِي خَيْرًا مِنْهَا. And grant me something better than this calamity. Salamah radiallahu anha, she ended up being the wife of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Allah Azza wa Jal replaced her calamity with something much better than Abu Salamah, and that is the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So say this, my brother or my sister. Say, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Allahumma jurni fi musibati wa akhluf li khayran minha. And then ask Allah Azza wa Jal to ease your affairs and to guide you to a righteous spouse and those general dua that we're allowed to make. Wallahu a'lam.